Imagine a world where you can't tell if the next hit song playing on your favorite app was written by a human or an algorithm. Well, guess what? We're already living in it. AI is shaking up the music industry so much that even the pros can't keep up. And most listeners? They have no idea whether they're streaming an AI-generated masterpiece or not. In fact, 97% of people say they struggle to tell the difference. Love it or hate it, AI music is here, and it's coming for your playlists. Hey everyone, if you care about the future of music, or just want to know what's real and what's not, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you think AI music is creative genius or a total disaster. Let's dig in. AI is everywhere in music now. It's sourcing samples, recording demos, building playlists, creating digital liner notes, and yes, writing full songs. Some of the biggest tech platforms are jumping on board. Google is bringing an AI music maker to its Gemini app, making generative music accessible to millions. Apple Music now labels tracks as AI-made, and Deezer is offering its proprietary AI music detection tool to other industry players. And with major deals between tech companies and music labels, like Universal Music signing up with NVIDIA, the industry's not just watching from the sidelines, it's going all in. But it's not all smooth beats. This rapid expansion has pushed us into some very murky waters that the industry is still trying to navigate. The rise of AI in music has sparked massive legal brawls, ethical debates, and deep-seated fears that machine-made tracks could suffocate human creativity. Just recently, a huge copyright lawsuit was filed. Major record labels claiming that the AI generator Suno illegally ripped content from YouTube to build its library. The labels argue that using their copyrighted content to train a commercial AI model without permission or compensation is a blatant violation of intellectual property laws. Suno, by the way, just hit a massive $2.45 billion valuation, proving that investors are betting big on this tech, despite the dozens of lawsuits looming in the background. This brings us to a critical ethical question. If an AI learns from human geniuses to create its own hits, who really owns the resulting music? But the chaos goes even farther than copyright. In a bizarre turn, one North Carolina man recently pleaded guilty to a massive AI music streaming fraud. He gamed the system by pumping out thousands of AI-generated tracks and using a fleet of bots to generate billions of fake streams, cashing in on the royalties. This kind of fraud doesn't just hurt the platforms, it directly siphons money away from the royalty pools that legitimate, hard-working musicians depend on. While some platforms are embracing the AI wave, others are pushing back hard. Bandcamp became the first major platform to take a stand, banning AI-generated content entirely. Their stance is clear. Bandcamp is for human artists. By banning AI, they're signaling that the platform's value lies in the human connection and the craft of songwriting. This leads to another mind-boggling realization. How often are you already listening to AI music without even knowing it? The streaming numbers for AI-generated tracks are already staggering, reaching millions, even billions, of streams across all major services. But are people genuinely in love with this machine-made music, or are they simply being tricked into listening to it through clever algorithms? Recent studies show that almost everyone, including industry experts, struggles to recognize when a song has been generated by an algorithm. Is typing a prompt and letting an algorithm do the rest really music creation? Or are we losing the essential soul that makes a great song resonate? Think back to the invention of the synthesizer or the rise of auto-tune. Each of these innovations was met with the same "is it real" skepticism. But those tools eventually became part of the artist's toolkit. Is AI just the next step in that evolution, or is it a fundamentally different beast? Underneath all these headlines, the music industry is hustling to keep up. They're building a defensive technology layer to hunt down and flag AI songs. The goal is to clearly mark what's man-made and what's machine-made, giving listeners and platforms the power to choose what they support. Platforms like Qobuz are already leading the charge, using auto-detection tools to tag AI tracks, providing transparency for their high-fidelity listeners. But here's the catch. Can detection tech really keep up with generation tech? As AI music becomes more sophisticated, those tells start to disappear. Artists themselves are feeling the backlash. They're seeing AI-generated clones of their voices appearing in songs they never recorded. Imagine an AI using your voice to sing lyrics you'd never say, for a profit you'll never see. That's the reality many top-tier artists are fighting today. They are demanding harder lines on what's allowed, calling for legislation that protects their digital identity and sonic likeness from unauthorized AI use. If you want an even deeper dive into the legal fight, check out the video in the corner. We break down how the industry is fighting back and what artists are saying. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment below with your take. Are you ready to put an AI-generated album on repeat, or does the idea make your skin crawl? This is the next era of music, and trust us, things are just getting started. The boundaries between human and machine are blurring forever. Click that video now to keep learning, and we'll see you there. Stay curious and keep listening to the real stuff. What if the next Mozart is an algorithm? Think about that for a second. We're talking about a level of production speed that humans just can't match. It democratizes creation, yes, but does it also devalue the years of practice and training that human musicians put in? These are the questions we must answer. We've already seen holographic performers. AI-written music is just the sonic version of that. The vibe might be there, but is the heart? The friction, the mistakes, the raw emotion, that's what makes music human. AI is perfect, and sometimes perfection is exactly what's wrong with it. As we move forward, the legal frameworks will have to be as creative as the technology itself. We are in the wild west of digital copyright. Maybe the future isn't AI vs humans, but AI plus humans. A collaborative era where technology amplifies our reach without replacing our touch. One thing is for sure, the radio of the future will sound very different. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, that's up to you to decide. Thanks for sticking with us through this deep dive. Your support helps us keep exploring the bleeding edge of AI and technology. The sun is setting on the old music industry and rising on something entirely new. Are you ready for it? We know we are. One last thing, hit that sub button if you haven't yet. Let's build a community that understands where the future is headed. See you in the next one.